Hey Lube friends, if you love Gunfighter Gun Oil or the cleaner or the grease and you love keeping your guns so wet, we're gonna do an awesome giveaway. It's gonna go all of 2021. We did some of them in 2020. The time has come. We are doing a Gunfighter Oil best customer giveaway. This customer is going to win this gorgeous Auxilary Manufacturing handmade. Post a video with the oil, with the cleaner, with the grease, telling us why you love it. Talk about your experience with it. We know it's the best product out there, but we want to hear it from you. Everything on this table is up for a giveaway, and we monthly are going to select somebody to win one of these fabulous prizes. Start with these Pro Ears Gold, the best ear pro on the market, made in the US of A. This is the ear pro that I choose. Those are awesome. Nanuk pistol case, yep, that's what we carry our guns in. We've got NeoMag, we've got PowerTac lights, we've got a video that Drew cut and edited on our friend Jared Reston. This is pretty cool. We've got multiple blades from our friend Mike at Auxilary Manufacturing. These are one-of-a-kind knives. This is like a $500 blade. One of you is going to win it, and we've already given away several of these. We've got coffee, and of course, some people are gonna win our very own products. So Kanan, what do they need to do when they post the video?
So they're gonna use the hashtag World's Best Lube and tag Gunfighter Gun Oil as well.
Awesome. You wanna win this stuff? Share why you love the lube. Kanan's gonna be the one packaging it. Keep it wet. Let's do this.